Hey, hi, welcome. Now, Chandika, we're going to give you a quick glimpse on what's in store for you today. So, let's go in. I'm going to be showing you we have the most beautiful suit sets, and you can just have a glimpse of all of those pieces right here in georgettes, in linens, very popular dupattas, and ombre single color chanderis. Now, lots of beautiful colors for you to see right here. Keep having a look. I'm showing you everybody online. Of course, feel free to send us a screenshot and you can get these beautiful pieces right away. Now, that's a wonderful tussar fabric, and I'm just going to give you a very nice glimpse of 2-3 fabric that I love, and we've just kind of gotten it here straight away. That's the premium cotton in checks. It's wonderful. Okay, something very special which has been stocked up for just this show is our linen in Karwa Butta in white. They're dyeable, but this is now finally come in. So, like after a long time, and we do have some options right away here. Now you can see premium cottons with weave, the really soft ones, chanderis, and lots of suit sets also in these. Now from that we move on to, of course, you can see this entire table of colorful fabrics. It's a mix, right from Kota silk to these beautiful tussar fabrics, bani, and something that we all absolutely love, these dupattas, the Sona Rupa Karwa Ambis. They're amazing. They're really lovely. I mean, I'm just going to open one, in fact, and just show it to you right away, because why not? Okay, so I'm going to show you these now. Look at that. They're amazing. They look fabulous. They feel great, and they're just everything. All made in Karwa, of course. Lots of colors in this. And then there is this. Okay, now I'm just going to come like this. The most stunning black dupatta also for you. So have a look. Now look at that. That's amazing pop of color. We also have a pastel pink in this. Of course, we've gotten our ombres of all kinds. From that, we're going to go to these kinds. Okay, so this is going to be a quick tour, and then maybe I'll do another video and show you. And as we just prep, I'm just making these so that we can, of course, keep showing you some wonderful pieces. Now these doing really well. We also have, of course, black in it, and I'm going to show you. The black is stunning, so yes, have to be showing these. Look at that, amazing dupattas. These are the 32,800, these two. The earlier one was a different range. Now, of course, our very newly launched mull cotton suits, and they're like these complete look. You can have it here, so you can see that, and that's the black there. Now we're going to come here, and what we are showing you is that all our premium cottons are here. But most importantly, this is what I wanted to show you, one of our most beautiful suit. And this one, now look at this, the Karwa weave. I'm just turning it around so that I can show you the whole look. Just look at that. This is one of very detailed premium cotton, all in Karwa, and look at the Meena. It's absolutely amazing. So there you go. The bottom has also been made on the same loom, so that's there. Our latest launch, we have one new color in the checks. You can see that, the Karwa Butta right there. It's like pink red, and of course you saw the other one that day. Now also new colors in Gul Butta, many of these. So now this is going to be a part one. If I do get to, I'll make another one, but yeah, that's for now. Lots of colors in these premium cottons, and just this, look at that, wonderful white with red Meena. It's going to look amazing. So yeah, all of this just for you today.